Now, coaches who want to take charge of any youth teams within the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, KSAFA, will now have to present a clean police record as the body tries to guard against abuse of young players. The issue was brought up recently at KSAFA's AGM, and President Wayne Shaw says the move is important considering the number of instances of child abuse in sports over the years.
Well, you have heard instance where you have been kids being abused by coaches. Even the USA, since week, a top gymnastics coach commits suicide because of sexual molestation of children. So the clubs are asking that before someone becomes a part of a club or of KSAFA, we do background checks and we get police record to ensure that something like that does not happen in KSAFA and embarrass the association.
In the meantime, Shaw, who is also the president of the Kingston and St. Andrew Business House, the Football Association, says the effect of COVID-19 on physical activity for those at the workplace has also been significant.
A lot of coaches, referees, who this is their livelihood, so they have not been working and not receiving any compensation. So it has been hard, and we, the people at the workplace, because of COVID, not being able to do any physical exercise, so that has been a negative effect on everybody. Not